In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TikTok business username in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're rebranding or simply ready for a change, updating your username on TikTok can help maintain your brand's consistency across social media platforms. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to make the change as smooth as possible. First things first, let's start with accessing your TikTok account. To do this, open your favorite web browser and visit TikTok's login page. One of the quickest ways to log in is by using the Continue with Google option. This option is perfect for those who prefer a hassle-free login experience without the need to remember another password. Go ahead and click on it. After selecting to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you're like me and have multiple Google accounts for different purposes, make sure to select the one that's linked to your TikTok business account. This helps in keeping all your work-related activities streamlined. Once you've selected your Google account, you might be asked to confirm your choice or sign in. Click Continue to move forward with the login process. This action essentially gives TikTok permission to access basic information from your Google account to simplify your sign-in experience. With the login process out of the way, it's time to navigate to your TikTok profile. Look for the profile icon, usually located at the bottom left of the TikTok homepage. It's your gateway to viewing and editing your personal TikTok information. Upon reaching your profile, you'll immediately notice the Edit Profile button. This button is your key to making any personalizations to your TikTok profile, including changing your username. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now you're at the crux of today's tutorial, changing your username. In the username field, carefully type in your new desired username. Remember, this name will be how viewers find and recognize your business on TikTok, so choose wisely. It should ideally reflect your brand's name or the content you're known for. Before you celebrate the new change, you must save it. Look for the Save option and click on it to finalize your new username. By saving, you're updating your TikTok account information, making your new username visible to everyone on the platform. And there you have it. That's how you successfully change your TikTok business username in a matter of minutes. Remember, a well-chosen username can significantly impact your brand's visibility and recognition on social media. So, take your time when deciding on a new name. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made the process of changing your TikTok username straightforward and stress-free. Remember, keeping your social media profiles updated and cohesive is crucial in today's digital age for brand visibility and recognition. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides and tips. See you in the next video.